Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I will talk about how to find if your Apple AirTags are real or fake. Apple has just announced AirTags and is becoming quite popular, as it's quite a practical device for everyday use. But as Apple products are loved by counterfeit or parallel market, these are not left, and you will find a lot of replicas already in the market. So how to find out if your AirTags are original or fake? Watch the video till the end to get a complete information about this topic. Every genuine Apple product has a unique serial number. The serial number can identify its authenticity and warranty. If you want to find out about new AirTags serial number, it's really simple. In the Find My application, select the AirTag from the list in the Items tab. Then tap on Battery Life Indicator in the Swipe Up panel. Tapping on the battery indicator will toggle a new view that shows the serial number and the software version of the accessory. Tap again to return to the last updated time and the battery life status. If you want to find out the serial number of your AirTag or any AirTag that isn't yours, there are two easy ways to do that. If you have an NFC compatible iPhone or an Android device, simply hold or tap the AirTag near the NFC scanner on your phone. Usually it's near the top side of your iPhone near the camera. This will launch an Apple website that includes the serial number of the AirTag as well as the contact information of the owner has put the AirTag into lost mode. Now these are the software options. What about the hardware option? The serial number of the AirTag is also printed physically on the device itself. You can still find out the information without being paired in Find My application. To do this, press down on the stainless steel back of the AirTag and twist in anti-clockwise to remove the back cover. Remove the battery to reveal the AirTag's serial number and also other model identifiers and FCC information. So once you have the serial number from any of these methods, you can type your serial number on Apple serial number check and get complete idea about if it's genuine or fake and also its warranty. So this is how simple it is to find out the authenticity of your AirTags. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly give a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.